Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we're gonna be showing you how to change um, the shift lever or gear lever. As you can see, this one is on Suzuki, which the bit that you put under your toe is got broken. To avoid this, because the original one that comes in Suzuki, it's comes solid here, so I bought one that sit on a spring. As you can see, even if you bend it or hit it or drop the bike, it will not break. As it's made out of aluminium, it's very easy to break. The only tools we're going to be using, I'm going to be using a flat head screwdriver and 10mm spanner. The flat head screwdriver is to undo the C shape, they call it stopper, which is here. I already taken it. You can actually buy a tool, special tool to remove it, which it goes in between these two holes. You can see, I don't know if it's clear. You see, you can go between these two holes and then you squeeze it out and then it opens and then you can release it. So this comes here, as you can see. I just pinched it with the screwdriver and then came out. So that's the only two tools we're going to be using. As I already moved the C-shaped ring, I can now slide the lever off. So when you do that, just be careful because there's few washers and extra washer to be taken off. So rather than taking the whole shaft, this piece off, I'm gonna be just undoing it from here and then try to undo the lever from here rather than taking the whole bit off. But if you need so, then you can take the whole bit off. It's maybe easier to take it off and just work on it offside. As you can see, the new one. Just pay attention on this model of Suzuki SV. They are opposites, so one is clockwise and this one is anti-clockwise. Yeah, the screw, the thread on it is anti-clockwise. If it's easier, I'll just take it off. As you can see, anti-clockwise. I'm gonna do it here. And just undo the knot here. Put it on the floor. Should just screw it in a bit, and that's to hold it in place. I'm going to screw this one here to the shaft itself. I can do a bit down. As you can see, and then connect it straight to the shaft, to its place back. Put the washer back, just to hold it in place, and then put the C-ring shape. As you can see, the C-ring, or whatever you want to call it, the C-ring, C-shaped ring, back in place. So that's how it fits. The C-shaped ring. First you put the washer, the tool, the washer, and the C shape ring, and then you tighten, you measure so it goes back properly to the end, and then you tighten these 10 mil, so tighten them, because otherwise if it moves it's going to be out of. If it moves, we'll start missing the first gear and not fit in the first gear. Alright, let's try it now. Switch the bike on. It's in neutral now, as you can see. It's in neutral. Let me lift and put it in gear. Neutral again. Let's start the bike and then we can see. Gear. That's in neutral. Again, first gear. And that's in neutral again. Going up, that's second gear. Third, fourth, fifth. Now going back to neutral. Alright. If you find this video was useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.